Hi, this is Scott, and today we're going to take a look at Google Reader. Google Reader is an awesome tool from Google. Of course, you have to have a Google account. My account name is my email, my Gmail address, and this is where all of my email comes to. Even though you send a message to scott@remembergranny.com, it's going to go to scottmaentz@gmail.com. That is my main email address. That's my Google account. And my account has all kinds of information that I can set right here. But Google Reader requires that you get a Google account. And a Google account is free. It's easy to sign up for. And all you need to do is go to google.com and open up one of these services, and they'll say it requires a Google account, and if you don't have one, you can subscribe. And it's a simple process. So let's assume you've got your Google account now. You want to go to Google Reader, and you'll probably have a bunch of subscriptions that you really don't care for. You can delete those subscriptions by going down to Manage Subscriptions. Now in this case, these are all subscriptions that I've added, so I want to keep them. But when you first start using Google Reader, you'll have some things that Google puts in there that you might want to get rid of. And what I have are subscriptions that are categorized into folders, just like you would your email. So we've got my sites. These are actually my places. And then I've got my technology sites. I've got my Catholic sites, my SQPN sites, and my family and friends. So for example, my son's photo stream is here, and here's pictures that he published just a few days ago of our granddaughter's 5th birthday. And they come right to me. I don't have to remember to go to his website to see if he's published new pictures. If I'm checking Google Reader every day, then I will have something in bold here, Jake's blog for example, that says there's a new blog post. And there it is. He's just published a blog post with a picture of our home, and he's working on a project for our builder to take some real nice quality photographs for the builder of our new home. So that comes right to me. Remember Granny, looks like it has something new. Oh, there's a new recording from this weekend at the Catholic New Media Conference.
All right, so now we're recording, so if I'm interviewing you.
Hi, Pat from Boston.
Hey, Pat, how you doing?
I'm doing great today. We're glad to be part of this demonstration. Thank you.
Well, we're glad to be able to share the information with you, so let's see how this sounds.
All right, awesome.
This was a recording that I made.
So now we're recording, so if I'm
This was a recording I made on Sunday, and at this Catholic New Media Conference where we were teaching people how to podcast. Well, there it is. I uploaded it to my podcast, my Remember Granny podcast, and it showed up in my Google Reader because I'm subscribed to the Remember Granny podcast through Google Reader. For example, I go down here and I see that Paul Colligan has something new on his blog. So here's all of the stuff from Paul Colligan's blog that I haven't read yet. Or perhaps I'll go to a site that has a little bit more in the way of media and pictures in the blog posts. And if there's a video there, I can go right there and play that video. Now they did that with a link. I wish they don't like that when they do that. I prefer to have the videos play right in the window itself. And I know they have one here that does that, like this one. This is embedded video.
Welcome to SearchMe's demo on how to create and share Stack.
So in any case, what I'm showing you is that everything that I'm interested in here on the internet, all the blogs and the photos and everything that I'm going to look at, it's all together here in one place here in Google Reader. Now, how do I subscribe to this? How do I put something new into Google Reader? Well, it's a matter of simply adding the subscription. And what you need to know is what the RSS feed is for whatever it is that you want to subscribe to. And everything that you subscribe to has a unique RSS feed. So right now we're not going to do that because we need to have a website with an RSS feed. Let's just see if we can find something here. Let's go to remembergranny.com, and this is our website here, and you'll see here we have subscribe or log in, and you see this little RSS feed symbol. That's what you look for. They don't all have it, but if you click on that, then what that's going to do is take me to a window that's going to ask me how I would like to subscribe to that feed. And as I said, there's several ways to do it. I want to do it with Google. And when I say subscribe now, it says, well, do you want to put it on the Google home page or add it to Google Reader? And I'll add it to Google Reader. That's where I want to put it. And then in Google Reader, it will show up here at the bottom. Now, because I'm already subscribed to this one, Google Reader is smart enough to know that it doesn't need to subscribe again. Remember Granny is already subscribed to, and there it is. And there's our Remember Granny website right in my Google Reader. So I hope this little introduction to Google Reader has been useful. I hope you check it out. Just get a Google account. It's simple. It's free. Use Gmail too. Check out Gmail if you. I don't know what you're using for email now, but my recommendation, Gmail. I love it. It takes a little getting used to, but it's powerful and you can find things, and it really beats using folders for email. But that's a topic for another time. Take care. God bless, and we'll see you soon.